Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Embroidery is not just a craft, it's a form of self-expression, a way to add beauty and personality to everyday objects. Today, I have something truly special in store for you. Whether you're an embroidery enthusiast or just starting out, I've compiled 50 delightful embroidery ideas to inspire your next project. So, grab your hoop, needle, and thread, and let's dive right in. And there you have it, friends, 50 embroidery ideas to ignite your creativity and inspire your next masterpiece. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new stitches, and to let your imagination fly. Until next time, happy stitching! Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content. And as always, happy embroidering!